Watch this. I will make the coin disappear. 1, 2... Ah, where did it go?
Found it! I thought we were playing catch. You dropped it too fast. Maybe go slower.
Real magicians are fast.
Real magicians also practice a lot. Try again.
Hold your hands steady and breathe.
Okay, breathing. Let's see. Oh no, it's on the floor again.
It's funny every time. Can I be your assistant? I'm good at catching coins.
Thanks. I don't want to disappoint everyone at the talent show.
We'll be proud of you no matter what.
We got an email from Mrs. Carter. Henry, you're the opening act for the talent show.
The first one? Why me?
Mrs. Carter must trust you. It's a great honor.
You'll start the show! That's so cool!
What if I mess up in front of everyone?
Then we all learn from it. But remember, nobody expects perfect. They expect fun.
I can sit in the front row and cheer really loud. I can cheer really loud too, especially if there are snacks.
Being first is scary because it means stepping into the unknown. But bravery only exists when fear is present.
I guess I have to practice even harder.
We'll practice with you every day until Friday.
Okay, cards again. Rose, pick a card and don't show me.
It's the... Nope, not telling you.
Tap the top. Now I snap. Wait, where did it go?
It fell under the chair.
Ugh, why is this so hard?
Pause and reset. Deep breath.
Okay, again. Oh, I did it!
Yay! Now try the rope trick.
Tie, unright, tie. Why is this knot stubborn?
Because that rope belongs to me now.
Popcorn, give it back!
If you pull this way, it slides out easier.
Oh, that helps. Thanks, Mom.
Let's do time trials. You have 30 seconds.
30? That's so fast.
1, 2, 3, go!
Done! 28 seconds.
Good job. Let's do it again. Wake me when the magic becomes snacks.
I think I'm getting better.
You're improving every day.
Maybe I'm ready for Mrs. Carter.
All right, class. Time for our talent rehearsal. Henry, you're up first.
Yes, Mrs. Carter. Okay, here's my rope trick. Why isn't it coming out? Maybe he tied it wrong.
Slow down, Henry. Pull this end gently.
Like this?
Yes, that's it. Now try finishing the trick again.
Okay, and it's still a knot.
That's all right. Rehearsal is for fixing things. Try again at home.
You can do it next time, Henry.
I feel embarrassed.
Remember what Pop said? Failure teaches more than success.
At least he didn't set the stage on fire.
Courage is like a muscle. It grows when stretched.
My hands feel like ice.
Hold mine. They're warm.
What if I forget everything?
Then we make up something silly. People love to laugh.
I'm scared of failing in front of everyone.
Failing is just learning with an audience.
Henry, you're on after the dance group. Take deep breaths. Remember, have fun.
Yes, Mrs. Carter.
If you forget, just make a sandwich. Everyone loves sandwiches.
No sandwiches on stage, Popcorn.
Fear shows you how much you care. Let it guide you, not stop you.
Let's give a big hand to our talented pianist.
These kids are impressive.
Yes, but Henry has something special too.
Next up is Lily and her amazing dance routine.
Wow, she can spin so fast.
See? They clap for everyone. They'll clap for you too.
I hope so. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Henry, and for my first trick, I will pull a card that you picked. Rose, pick any card and show it to everyone, except me.
Got it!
Now I will guess. Is it the Queen of Hearts?
No.
Okay. Maybe the Five of Spades? Where is it?
check under the stage.
Well, let's try the rope trick.
This knot doesn't like me.
It's okay.
Take your time, Henry.
Sorry, everyone.
Remember your practice. Trust yourself.
It's okay. Let's do the secret trick we practiced at home, the one with the numbers.
Are you sure? We didn't practice it here.
We've practiced being brother and sister for 8 years.
Good point. All right, everyone. Let's try something new. Can someone shout a number from 1 to 10?
7!
Thank you! Now my lovely assistant will magically find it.
Abracadabra!
Again? Maybe a harder one?
3 it is.
I knew it before they even said it.
Thank you, Rose.
Thank you for not giving up.
Magic isn't about perfection. It's about moments we share.
They're so brave.
This is why I love teaching.
Let's give our bravest performers a huge round of applause. Henry and Rose!
That's our kids.
We are so proud of you both. Tonight we saw true magic. Not just tricks, but courage and love. Henry and Rose reminded us that mistakes are teachers, and we all learn together.
I was very scared, but my family helped me. Thank you for supporting me even when I messed up.
Failing is okay if you keep trying and if someone holds your hand.
This talent show wasn't just about winning. It was about sharing and cheering for each other. I knew this would happen the moment I woke up.
Today's true talent was courage. Let's celebrate that. To courage and to family. Cheers.
Cheers! I didn't expect to get a courage award. I feel good.
Your hands didn't feel like ice anymore on stage.
Because you warmed them.
Next time, maybe you two can play a song together.
Or a cooking show.
Cooking show. I love this idea.
Every night ends, but the meaning stays. What we did tonight will light future nights.
Thank you all. I'm not afraid anymore.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time. Bye!